Direct replacement. This HVAC heater control knob is designed to match the fit and function of the original control knob on specified vehicles. Restores functionality. This knob is made to fully restore appearance and functionality after the original part fails. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Windshield wiper knob. My 87 F150 pickup was missing the windshield wiper knob and it was very difficult to turn them on, unless you used a pair of pliers. One of the 3 knobs in this package fit and worked perfectly.